Hi, welcome to Foresights TV, and this is Anushka Tyagi with you. In a startling revelation, Shankaracharya of Jyotirmat Swami Avimukteswaranand has brought to light allegations of a significant gold scam at the revered Kedarnath temple nestled in the Garhwal Himalayan range of Uttarakhand. He claims that 228 kilograms of gold are missing from the temple's reserves, yet no inquiry has been initiated to investigate this alarming discrepancy. These accusations have sparked outrage among the temple's priests and devotees, complicating matters further with protests erupting over the construction of a new Kedarnath temple in Delhi. Has a special report from Foresights TV. Let's have a look at it with me, Anushka Tyagi. The controversy deepened as priests from the Kedarnath temple staged protest against the construction of a replica temple in Delhi. This dissent culminated in a symbolic rejection of the event attended by Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami, who laid the foundation stone in Delhi on July 10th. Swami Avimukteswaranand, during a meeting with Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray, expressed his discontent, emphasizing the pain felt due to what he termed as betrayal in the political realm. The allegations of the missing gold have not only raised questions about financial mismanagement within one of Hinduism's holiest sites, but have also stirred sentiments about the sanctity and stewardship of temple resources. Swami Avimukteswaranand's accusation that no investigation have been launched into the missing gold underscores concerns over accountability and transparency in temple governance. Furthermore, the controversy has spilled over into political dimensions with references made to Maharashtra's political landscape. Swami Avimukteswaranand's meeting with Uddhav Thackeray included impassioned remarks about betrayal and the desire for Thackeray to regain his position as Chief Minister of Maharashtra. These statements reflect broader discontent and suggest a link between regional politics and the perceived mishandling of religious affairs. The unfolding saga involving Kedarnath temple highlights not only financial irregularities but also the intricate intersection of religion and politics in India. The allegations of a gold scam and subsequent protest against the Delhi temple construction underscore deep-seated concerns about accountability within religious institutions and the sensitive nature of sacred site management. As the controversy continues to evolve, it remains to be seen whether authorities will heed calls for transparency and initiate investigations into the missing gold. Moreover, the political undertones of Swami Avimukteswaranand's statements serve as a reminder of the broader implications of governance and leadership on religious sentiments and public trust. Coming days are crucial as stakeholders navigate through these complexities, balancing the demands for justice, religious integrity, and political stability in the wake of these troubling revelations from one of India's most revered pilgrimage sites.